Today, I'll guide you through how to charge your Rivian or any other non-Tesla EV on the Tesla Supercharger network. Plus, I've got exciting news. This video is sponsored by EV Supply Co. in partnership with A to Z on their NACS to CCS 1 adapter. They've made accessing Tesla Supercharger network easier than ever, and I'll be giving away one of these adapters when we hit 3,000 subscribers. So stick around for the details. Before we dive in, let's talk about the three types of Tesla Superchargers and what you need to know. Tesla-only Superchargers. These are exclusive to Tesla vehicles, so non-Tesla EVs can't use them. These include V1 and V2 Supercharger cabinets. All EV Superchargers. These stations feature Tesla's Magic Dock adapter, allowing non-Tesla EVs to charge seamlessly. The adapter is built right into the post, no need to bring your own adapter. NACS Superchargers. Our main focus for today, these chargers support the North American charging standard and are rolling out for more manufacturers, including Ford, GM, Polestar, Rivian, and Volvo. These locations are made up of Tesla V3 Superchargers. They are fast charging at a peak of 250 kilowatts and compatible with the NACS to CCS 1 adapter. Tesla is also now rolling out V4 Superchargers, even faster at 500 kilowatt peak, and also compatible with your Rivian or non-Tesla EV. If it sounds complicated, don't worry, Rivian's app makes it a breeze. Open the app and enter your trip destination. Tap the filter button, top right corner, select networks, and ensure Tesla is highlighted. Press done and apply to plan your trip. Check supercharger details. Look for a 250 kilowatt max to confirm compatibility with V3 chargers. You can also double check using the Tesla app if needed. Charging a Rivian on Tesla's network is super simple. Insert your NACS to CCS 1 adapter into the charging port, plug in the Tesla Supercharger cable, charging starts automatically, and costs are billed through your Rivian account. You'll be able to see that your vehicle has started charging on your center and driver display as well as in the app. This will show you how many miles per hour charge you're getting, when your charging session will end, other contextual information, and a button to stop charging. For non-Rivian EVs, open the Tesla app and select Charge Here. Find the post number to unlock the handle, plug in, and billing is handled through your Tesla app account. When you're done with charging, press and hold the button on the Tesla cable, then remove it from the adapter. Remove the adapter from your vehicle's port afterward. Now, to celebrate hitting 3,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away an A to Z Typhoon Pro NACS to CCS 1 adapter, courtesy of EV Supply Co. I think it's important to note that using a third-party adapter can potentially void your vehicle's warranty. Many manufacturers, including Rivian, specify that only their approved adapter should be used, and any damage caused by a third-party adapter may not be covered under warranty. While I personally feel confident using the A to Z Typhoon Pro adapter, especially since it's been approved by the godfather of all chargers, Todd Malogny, it's a decision you'll need to make based on your comfort level. Use it at your own risk. Here's how to enter the giveaway. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below with what your first vehicle was. Mine was a Pontiac Grand Am. Good luck, and I can't wait to hit 3,000 subscribers so I can get this adapter from EV Supply Co. into your hands. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, comment, and remember, adventure is always out there.